back to my YouTube channel. Hi, my name is Genesis. If you're new to my channel, then welcome to the beauty family. And if you're already part of the family, then welcome back, girl. Today's video, as you can tell by the title, is going to be something pretty interesting and fun. As you guys can see, I have a special guest.
Her man, her only man.
Sure, I'm just kidding. So if you guys are new to my channel, if you guys haven't seen this guy before, this is my husband. His name is Omar. And today I've had invited him to my channel to do this challenge. And I'm pretty excited. So if you guys want to see the outcome of the challenge, then definitely keep on watching. Okay guys, today's video is going to be the Buffalo Wild Wing challenge. I am super excited, super nervous, super scared.
You're excited to eat or for the challenge?
Honestly, I'm excited to eat because me la estoy saboreando like so bad. But they're probably not going to be good because they're probably going to be like super spicy.
Well, we'll see today, right
now. So Omar just got back from Buffalo Wild Wings. So we're going to be doing the spicy challenge, I guess. The spicy wing challenge. Yeah. We're going to be eating the Blazin ones, which is these ones right here.
It smells so good.
They smell good, but they look pretty spicy. So we're both going to get 5. Should we get gloves or no? Because I'm not able to take off my contacts. Are we going to be doing ranch or no ranch?
Look at this clown. Gloves.
Ranch or no ranch?
I think no ranch, because if we put ranch, it's not going to be as spicy, I think.
I know, but I cannot eat.
Just like that. Straight out of the box.
Okay, so Omar is saying no ranch.
I can't eat wings without ranch. I have to get extra ranch. You know, like this cup from B-Dubs, this will last me for like 1 wing and a half, let's say. So if you do the math in 10 wings, I'll eat lots of ranches.
Yes, we always get extra ranch because we just love ranch. And like, who eats their wings without ranch? Like, that doesn't make sense. I know a lot of people don't like ranch, but I'm just like, how? That's so insane.
I'm getting all the small wings.
Ah!
Does that look fair to you?
Yeah. Getting the ones that don't have sauce. I'm just kidding.
Yeah, let's go, because I'm ready.
Okay, so are we going to like time it, or like how should we do it? Or whoever finishes first?
Whoever finishes the wings first, or whoever just quits.
Yeah.
You know, whoever just quits automatically gets disqualified.
So, and then if you lose, you have to put the chile in your eye.
Both eyes.
Can you imagine how no?
So no ranch, huh?
Oh, you're saying no ranch.
Okay.
Why are you opening your ranch? You said no ranch. She's not opening the ranch.
I'm just so used to getting ranch. Okay. That's why I guess.
Ready? So we probably won't talk a lot because we're going to try and be finishing these up. Maybe we should put the bones in here, huh? Yeah. So here we go. R.I.P. butthole.
Buttholes? Pretty sure I'm going to get chorro after this.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure I'm going to get chorro too.
I will get
and you guys remember, I'm pregnant, so I'm kind of scared. If I throw up, this thing is going to burn my throat so bad. Or if we both take a how do you say it?
Dump.
A dookie?
A dump.
When it's time to, it's going to burn too.
Okay.
Ready?
I want to lick these already.
Omar is ready to go. He's like, shut the hell up already.
Yeah.
Alright, I'm scared,
2,
dude.
4, 5, 2, 4, 5. Okay. Ready? Alright. Salud.
Cheers.
¿Qué es what?
For good luck.
Alright, ready.
I'm scared. Con las dos manos.
It doesn't matter how, just you eat the wing.
Okay.
Alright, ready, set, go.
It even tastes good. Huh?
No.
Mm-mm.
Like, already. Mom, already? Oh no. No more. Look at me.
Look here. Okay.
Can we drink water?
No! If you drink water, you're lost. It's okay. You give up?
That's it. Sorry.
Are you kidding me? Oh my gosh, he always loses in these challenges.
Man, it's so...
Look at your nose. You guys know it's crazy because we eat chile every day. It's not like we're not used to spicy stuff. But when we go to Buffalo Wild Wings, I always get the mango habanero, which is the second spiciest, right? There's the first, the one that I get is the second spiciest. But this one's like really hot.
Honestly, I didn't think this would be hot. I was like, come on, they're just wings. But apparently, they're blazing hot. I feel like all this is tingling.
This is the second time that Omar joins me on a challenge that has to do with spicy stuff and he loses.
I'm gonna bring our niece in this, Valerie. She's gonna beat you, watch.
Probably. If you guys haven't seen the spicy noodle challenge ×2, I got whooped. And I eat more spicy stuff than her, but... Well, you guys... That's pretty much it for this video, huh?
Mm-hmm.
Loser, like always. I mean, what did I expect? No, honestly, I really thought we were gonna do good. Well, I mean, I'm doing good. I can continue eating them.
I think my eyes turn red.
I think so, too.
Yeah, my friend's eyes turn red. Do I look fine? Like I don't look like sick or something?
He's gonna faint. Oh my god.
People have died off spiciness.
Mm-hmm.
You know that, right?
Yeah, but this is not like spicy. Like, oh my god, I'm gonna die spicy. Like right now, I feel good.
I'm like that. Man, being on enchilada like that, I felt awful, honestly. I don't think I would do this again.
Really? A rematch?
Hell no. I would never in my life do this ever again. Ever, ever, ever.
If you guys had tried the Blazing Buffalo Wild Wings, don't mind if I have boogers coming down. I can see them. Yeah.
Wipe them off.
Oh, we have no more napkins.
Here.
Ah. If you guys have tried these wings, let me know if you guys were able to manage or not. Let us know in the comment section. Well, he failed. I won pretty much because he drank the water. So I won yet again. I mean, what kind of hey?
Whose channel is it?
So
Here you go. You see, I'm fine right now.
yeah.
Meaning that I could have won.
Whatever. That's pretty much it for this video, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you guys want to see more challenges, whether it's with him or with anyone else, let me know. I love doing challenge videos. It's always fun and it's something new. So let me know if you like challenges so I can continue to post challenges. Don't forget to like this video. Don't forget to comment down below anything you like. And don't forget to subscribe if you're not part of the beauty family. Click that red button and join the family.
I love you.
And I know. We'll catch you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.
Peace, y'all.